What if I told you that moving to Fairfax County would put $750,000 in your pocket? If that intrigues you, you can start packing your bags right now. Because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down the math why relocating to Fairfax County will almost make you a millionaire. This will be a three-part equation. In the first part, we'll look at your income coming into the area. Then we'll compare the cost of houses. The last section will be a bonus section to wrap this segment up. Let's start the show. Hi, my name is Abraham Walker, your Fairfax County YouTube real estate agent, where I do the research so you don't have to. I've been selling real estate since 2008 and use videos to explain the ins and outs of relocating Fairfax County. Since I release videos every week, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss any future videos. Honestly, my team and I, we are getting calls every single week from folks just like you who are looking in Fairfax County, Virginia. And so, if you're thinking about moving or relocating anywhere in the Fairfax County area, use the link in the description to fill out your perfect home questionnaire. We will meet online and you can ask me anything you want about Fairfax County. Enough about me. How do I make almost $1 million moving to Fairfax County, Virginia? The number one pro to living in Fairfax County is that property values are high. Now, you may be asking yourself, how is having high home prices a pro, Abraham? If you'd like, I would love to prove it to you with numbers. The great street poet Sean Carter once said,
"Men lie, women lie, numbers don't."
If you have a piece of paper, you can follow along with me or just watch the screen. So let's do a deep dive on the numbers. There's one thing you have to remember. When we're comparing the U.S. to Fairfax County, outside of housing and transportation costs, all other expenses on average are similar. Let's grab some data. Census.gov states that the median household income in America is $68,703, while DataUSA.io puts Fairfax County at $122,227 for the median household income. So that means that you'll make $53,524 more per year, or $4,460 more per month in Fairfax County. That's also $147 more per day. Now that we know how much excess money you'll make, let's take a look at housing. BestPlaces.net says that American homes sell at a median sales price of $231,000. And Bright MLS, the local multiple listing service for real estate agents, reports that number as $535,000 for Fairfax County homes. Even though houses cost their respective values, it's uncommon to pay the full amount up front, because in 2019, only 10% of Fairfax County homes were sold or purchased using all cash. So it's safe to assume that you'll be getting a mortgage and only feeling the monthly impact of the total cost of your property. With this mortgage, we'll assume you're making a 20% down payment using a 3% fixed interest rate loan for 30 years, which we'll use to calculate the housing cost on a monthly and annual basis. Using those numbers, you're paying just under $800 in America and a little over $1,800 in Fairfax County per month. This leads to a difference of $1,025 in the red for Fairfax County. Now I know what you're thinking. We could stop right here and you could already see that this move makes sense. When you move here, you're getting paid almost $4,500 more per month, but you're only paying an extra $1,000 in housing costs. You're putting $3,500 into your pocket every month. Come on now. You can't tell me that's not amazing. But there's more. The last part of this conversation involves appreciation. A recent study by the National Association of Realtors states that homeowners on average are staying in their homes for 13 years. We're going to assume the same for this conversation. First, let's choose a conservative appreciation rate. How about we use a 2% appreciation rate for this 13-year time period? While you can find information about 3 or even 5% appreciation, 2% will be more than enough to make this point. If we look at this 13-year time period, you've paid $281,000 on your Fairfax County mortgage and $121,000 in Middle America. Your equity position, assuming no appreciation, is $247,000 in Fairfax County and $107,000 in America, which means Fairfax County is winning by $140,000. Now, to be fair, in this scenario, you did put up $61,000 more in down payment in Fairfax County. But even if you take that out, you're still left with a little under $80,000. So living in Fairfax County makes sense when you don't even consider appreciation. And you didn't even think about, or we haven't even added, the fact that you got a $4,500 raise just from moving to the area. Have you started packing yet? I'm excited for you, and I'm not even buying the home. Anyway, let's look at this with a 2% appreciation. In Middle America, your $231,000 investment has ballooned to $299,000, and you have $174,000 in equity after 13 years. Not bad when you consider that you only put $46,000 down. That's a 278% return on investment, or an 11% annual return. Let's just say that you'd be hard-pressed to get that type of ROI in the stock market. Now let's see how we did on our Fairfax County property. Your home's resale price after 13 years of appreciation at that modest 2% is, can I get a drum roll please? $692,000 is your current home's value, and when you subtract out the mortgage, you have $404 in equity. What's the return on investment? It's the same as before, 278% return on investment or 11% annual return. That's a difference of $230,000 between your home purchase in Middle America versus Fairfax County. Come on now. Where else could you make that kind of money? You could almost take that money and buy a house, all cash in Middle America. So why such a large difference in equity? It's all due to the starting price of the properties. While both homes appreciated at the same level, the home in Fairfax County is significantly more expensive. But wait, there's more. You may be thinking, okay, Abraham, I can buy a more expensive house in my current town, right? I don't have to move to do that. You're so right. Here's why it really makes sense for you to move to Fairfax County. Let's think back to the first equation. The median household income in America is $69,000, but in Fairfax County is $122,000. Over 13 years, you would have made $893,000 in America. Wow. In Fairfax County, you made $1.59 million. I think you see where I'm going with this. Remember, you only feel the effects of the mortgage on a monthly basis. So after 13 years of making more money in Fairfax County, you have an excess of $535,000 in the bank. When you add up the fact that you have an extra $230,000 in equity, just for purchasing a home in the area, plus you have an extra $500,000 because of the pay increase, that leaves you with $750,000 in reasons to move and live in Fairfax County. Oh, and by the way, we didn't even include future raises into this calculation. So there you have it. This is your $750,000 reason why living in Fairfax County, Virginia is awesome. So Abraham, tell me the next step to relocating to Fairfax County. Hey, let's meet up on a Zoom session. Whether you're a year out or need to move to Fairfax County this month, The next step is to fill out your perfect home questionnaire in the link below in the description. In the perfect home questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me of what you want in a perfect home and community. After you share your favorite snack with me, you click the submit button and an email will be sent to you with a link to book a consultation call with me via Zoom. Once we meet online, you can ask me anything you want about Fairfax County. Then we'll narrow down some great areas for you. And when you are ready, we will help you find the perfect home for your family. So go ahead and don't be shy. The link is below in the description. I look forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.